Alright guys, I've come down and refilled the booth. I've got all kinds of different skillets, all different brands. Got some cowboy skillets, got some imports down there. We've got some different lodges. And then over here, we've got some Blacklock. We've got some of the patriotic skillets. Got the 250th birthday. Got a Victor. Got some Crescents. Got some Griswolds. Got some real cool little ones there. Breakfast skillet. Square skillet. Some more Blacklock. Some more Griswolds. Got assorted 3s and 5s, a whole bunch of them. Got some pineapple cake pans. Then up here we've got some Dutch ovens. And then we've got more Dutch ovens and some fryers and combos and a little bitty Dutch oven. Down here we got some enameled, some Le Creuset, some stove. And then down here more grill pans. And then over here we've got the little stuff. Got the little server. Got a scale. And then over here we've got some corn stick pans, breadstick pans. Down here some Turks and different gym pans. But that's it, guys. So if you are around Abilene on South 14th, stop by and check out the booth. Y'all have a good one.